First of all, this is a very special achievement for me and my family. And it's very special because when I was preparing for JEE, I did not prepare it with the goal that I should become this first person and so and so. My only goal was that give my best in this JEE exam. And at the same time, I am very proud that I'm able to contribute to my community, and I hope it inspires others to contribute as well in their own way. Even in now in our community, even after having so much potential, we are still not getting enough representations in IITs and even NITs from our communities. So I hope that this inspires them to aspire in the leading technical institutions of India, such as IITs and NITs.
एडमिशनाक फी फारीक केली तेन्ना म्हाका कळोन चुकलें ते गव्हर्मेंटान ट्युशन फी तांकां वेव आवट केली. म्हणजे ट्युशन फीचे जे जवळ जवळ 1 लाख प्रत्येक सेमिस्टराक मेळटाले ते SC ST आनी OBC ज्यांची सॅलरी मातशी कमी आसा तांकां मेळटा तें इवन. सो तो एक बेनिफीट मेळ्ळो म्हणून म्हाका मातशें रिलॅक्स जालें आनी त्या एका बेनिफिटाक लागून हांव सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक खूब खूब मना पासून देव बरें जावं म्हणटा.